Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sugar cookies Squid Game full guide. Start by chilling firm sugar cookie dough for at least 1 hour, roll to 5 millimeters, and press a circular cutter gently. Use a clean needle to score a precise triangle, star, or umbrella outline, working slowly so the cookie stays intact. Bake on parchment until the edges are lightly golden, then cool completely before attempting the challenge. Proper dough texture makes or breaks these Squid Game sugar cookies, so measure precisely and cream butter with sugar until light and fluffy. Chill the dough for at least 1 hour to firm it, which helps thin 5 millimeter rolling and clean cuts. Roll between parchment to reduce flour, and use gentle handling when transferring shapes to the tray to keep outlines crisp and prevent spreading during bake or browning. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, I picked a helpful book, The Simple Path to Wealth, which offers calm money advice that pairs nicely with mindful baking and simple challenges. It changed how some people plan finances and focus on long-term goals while enjoying small pleasures like cookies. Check the description for the book link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Scoring is delicate work, so choose a thin, clean needle or pin and work on a cool dough surface to avoid tearing. Trace shapes lightly, then deepen only if the cookie holds together, aiming for smooth, continuous lines for a satisfying break. Bake at moderate temperature until edges just color. Cool fully on the tray 10 minutes, then move to a rack to finish cooling before attempting the cutout challenge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.